Why you should start hiking. Drop me a like and a follow if you want a part to hiking upload that explains how I prepared for my 40-mile ultimate hiking endurance event. My journey into the world of hiking. Why would I want to hike when I can run? The thought was a polite internal question in response to a well-meaning friend's suggestion. I've never been Mr. Marathon, but always enjoyed running, sprinting as my cardio complement to weightlifting. Inclined treadmill sprints, outdoor hilly 5-milers, and a longer weekend run were my staples within my fitness routine. I've also been fortunate enough to keep most training-related injuries at bay until around 2015 when runner's knee made an unwelcome entry into my life. A few weeks after my friend's ridiculous suggestion of hiking, my wife and then 2-year-old son went away with wider family for a long weekend. I was frustratingly engaged with work events and couldn't attend. One Saturday morning, and having already completed my quota of weekly strength training workouts, I was rather bored and at the critical point of making a life-changing decision, watching another box set or weeding the garden. Surprisingly, neither option won out, and I decided to go for a hike. I'm fortunate enough to live in a hilly, scenic, and rural part of the world. My choice of tough hilly walks was plentiful, and armed with a bottle of water I set off. I walked for hours, scrambled through bracken, frequently got lost, and found my bearings again. I vividly recall sweating, panting hard, and standing on the peak of a local mountain in awe of the surroundings. From that moment I was hooked. Over the years since that Saturday walk, hiking has firmly become a prime player within my fitness routine. It's heavily contributed towards my excellent level of fitness and provided me with some special memories along the way. I'm convinced it could do the same for you. The benefits of hiking: physical fitness, strength and associated muscles, cardiovascular system improvements, lung capacity, building endurance and work capacity, balance and coordination improvement due to navigating uneven terrain, bone density improvements from weight-bearing exercise. I was used to be skeptical and a little dismissive of hiking for fitness benefits. I was wholeheartedly wrong. Adults are busy and children can become overly stimulated with a plethora of technical gadgets at their beck and call. Sometimes it's nice to lace up, lock the door, and spend a few hours together on a technology-free family hike. It's a great family fitness exercise.